Drop it.
What's up, team?
What's going on, guys? What's
How
up?
we doing?
Man, I tell you what, the chart here is filthy. I will
It doesn't
say,
lie. I've been telling you for the last week, the yellow dots are the truth. You got another gem today with the yellow dots.
oh my
You got a lot of
God.
them.
Yes, these traffic lights, STV. One more time. Traffic lights.
Why traffic lights?
Traffic lights. That's what we call it. Traffic light. Yellow
I
traffic
call it
light.
the yellow dot.
It was yellow traffic light.
Fine, yellow traffic light. We'll call it that. It's the same thing.
That's what we're calling it in platform. Are we
Oh,
not?
that's true. No, it's actually different in platform. It's not yellow traffic light. It's broken traffic light.
Broken traffic light. Yes, I like that one better.
Yeah.
Broken traffic light. What a good Proteus already. He's already in there. I call them yellow balls.
Hey, you guys are printing, call it whatever the fuck you want. They work. That's all that we have to do. Your yellow balls work, which is good. No shooting blanks over here. We're doing good.
That CPB been printing. Okay.
Really? Yeah, I was looking at that one too. I wanted Procter & Gamble PG, and then I realized that it had freaking earnings tomorrow, and I was like, nope.
Let's take a look at it. Oh. What is this filth?
Let's see.
You
Oh
could
my-
call them Dragon Balls.
Nah, well, we gotta stick to broken traffic light. Now that it's traffic light, we're making videos calling it the traffic light. We have to stick to it.
Yeah, and besides, we'll get sued for calling it Dragon Balls.
That's true. Dude, CPB was another one that we were looking at. If the risk makes sense, you can hit them. Just make sure your risk management's in check. Like the contracts that I was gonna get on Procter & Gamble were for March. Like I'm getting time on these. I'm sizing down. Guys, listen to the things that we're saying. Because if not, you're gonna struggle a little bit.
You're gonna struggle. Christopher Rillo said Subfellows made 14% on the port with the CPB. Assuming that is a 10% allocation, that is 140%. If that's a 5% allocation, that's a 70% contract.
No, it would be 100. It would be 280%.
280%. Yeah. Oh, yes.
Because he doubled it. He'd have to go even higher.
Yeah. Guys, sorry, dyslexic today. Coffee's running out. My maths, no maths. We do that with Andy sometimes.
Yeah, we'll say that's something Andy, and he'll be like, "What did you just say?" We'll be like, "I know it's the other way around. Just stop."
Yeah. So, Christopher, what was your allocation on the port? Just curious. Here's
Christopher?
15%.
Why would you do that? Christopher? When has that ever been a good idea? When have we ever said to do that? Christopher.
All right. So you're using pretty much like 6 of your port. That's right numbers, right? Yeah. Just about a little over 6 of your port into a play. That's no bueno, man. 10% next time, please. But good job on the print. But 10% next time.
Here's the thing. You technically, in terms of our sliding scale of risk, can put 100% of your portfolio into a trade. But as soon as it goes down 1%,
don't you dare say that. They're just going to listen to us. You can put 100%.
No, this is the point that I've been trying to make. Is if the percentage of your portfolio that you're risking is the same every time, which I know a lot of you guys are not disciplined enough to do. So you're not there yet. You cannot be doing this. you can I mean, that's why when I do the what do you call it? If I'm swinging something overnight and I'm using less than 1% of my account, I'm sizing it for 0. But remember, there's that sliding scale of risk. Should you be on the outsides? No. You should be somewhere in the middle. So please don't oversize, guys.
Look at, they're already going after you right now. You can fit 100% of your portfolio in trades. Arvin just quoted. All right, Chris, we do it because we love you now. Never, but it looks so sweet. I couldn't pass it up. Okay. That's where your emotions paid out. You said it looked sweet, so you couldn't pass it up. So you used your emotions to enter the trade. Now, what happens if it's wrong? How do your emotions feel at that point? Right?
Then you're fucked.
Yeah. Liam D says, is there any more data today?
We get Beige Book at 2, but that probably won't move stuff around all that much. Then we get at 3:15, we get Patrick Harker speaking on the economic outlook. But other than that, nope.
Oh, dude. They said STV said to yellow 100%.
People just think. Everybody think. It's the sliding scale of risk. It's really simple. It's the same risk on every trade. There are multiple ways to have the same risk. Should you be on the outskirts of that sliding scale? No, you want to be somewhere in the middle.
Yes.
Don't be fucking around doing dumb shit, please. I know you guys do it, and this is I need to say something else here too. I was kind of lurking around in one of the chats. I was seeing some of the things that were being said. You guys aren't watching the videos, and you're not paying attention. So I see some of you guys that have had consistent issues in the way that you're thinking about things and the way that you're saying things in market talk. You're not watching the videos. If you guys aren't going to put the work in and actually listen to the learnings and the teachings that we're giving you, you're going to struggle. That's what we're here for. It's all learnings and teachings. If you're going to come in here and think that you can just take these alerts randomly and have success, I got some news for you. That's not how trading works. So yeah, you have to listen and put the work in, guys.
Yeah. If you want to go ahead and do crazy shit like that, you can go level up. Anyways. Oh, shit. Shots fired. I didn't mean that.
Oh, I didn't hear what you said.
Yeah. Let's see. Man, it's annoying. I'm always selling good trades fast and bad trades slow.
Okay, so that's a discipline problem.
Yeah.
So if you're holding on to your losers longer, you still have that hopium aspect that it's going to come back. I hope it's coming back. I think it's going to. Nope. You follow the chart. That's why we have that risk management video and the stop loss strategy. With the stop loss strategy, you're not going to sell things too quick because you're scaling out, moving stops to break even or in profit, and you can fully capitalize on the next move. With the risk management video, you know exactly where your risk point is on the chart. If it crosses over, it's done.
Yeah. Christopher, welcome to the family. It's all tough love, right? I get it. The thing is that we've said this before. We respect your portfolio more than you do sometimes. Only because experience has taught us to be very, very, very humble in our trades. Right? That's why I trade so conservatively. I mean, I've experienced it all in 13 years or so trading, and you know it's scary. Let's be honest, right? Especially when you're first starting out, it's fucking scary. But when you have everything just part of a system and you know what you're risking and you're managing and you're allocating the same way every single time, you essentially let the law of averages just average out in your favor, especially with the system. That's it.
KO is spicy. What do we got on Coca-Cola? You're making me check my phone over here. 111%. Thank you.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Easy.
Jesus Christ. Oh, my God. Whew. Okay, we've been cooked all day.
Yep.
Ooh. Man, I guess the market didn't take that data too well.
No, the whole thing just died.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. They're 100% free. That is
Yeah, mine are
dope.
free. Mine are free.
All right. So what we're going to do now is open up the lines. You're free to call in. We are free to talk about your experiences, your challenges. You're free to talk about the traffic lights. You're free to talk about your mother. You know, I mean, some people are just harboring that childhood damage. I get it. So we can do that. Love line, STV.
What?
You want to do some phone sex? They're asking for a love line.
No. I already have dudes trying to have sex with me in my DMs. I don't need it from these people too. We are
Oh,
not the same. You guys are in that random girl's DMs. There's dudes trying to go over here to have sex with me. We're not the same. It's
oh,
fucking weird, bro.
oh. Damn. Sorry about that. So is it
Very.
like Emily, Tammy? Who is it?
I said dudes,
Oh.
not female.
I was trying to come in for the save, bro, but damn, he doubled down.
Bro,
Dudes,
they just don't give a fuck, I guess. I'm like, bro, leave me alone.
stop trying to give STV a chafed asshole. Okay.
Yeah, like, bro, get out of here. We're not fucking, I'm at work. Leave me alone. This is sexual harassment of the workplace.
Some like meat, some like bone.
I guess it is what it is, bro. I gotta stop showing my fucking ankles on the internet.
Oh, that's what did it.
I hope not, bro. That would be weird as hell.
Oh shit, you just set this freaking bat signal to everyone who loves feet and ankles.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's get back on track. Okay, Robinson just joined. Is this the right stream? Yes, it is. We're just having a little fun here, but Jesus. Didn't expect all that. All right.
I stay off
So
Twitter.
lines are open. Please no sexual assault on STV.
Yeah, let's leave me alone. I'm not a piece of fucking meat, all right? You got the number up? Here we go.
Oh boy, we got our first call.
Here we go.
And welcome to the stream. You want to talk about STV's ankles?
Man, y'all got some wild stuff going on. STV better watch out, man.
So I guess, man, I don't know. I've been seeing this I'm like, no, this is not for me, bro. I don't know where all these people came from, but they need to go back to it. This is not for me. Leave me alone.
Gabe got people in his car. You got guys trying to have sex with you, man. That's it.
Hey, man, we put ourselves on the internet. You got to just kind of take what comes at you, and hopefully it's not dudes trying to have sex with you. You just gotta like.
Yeah, it's Black Man 91. I'll just call them messing with you guys. I ate on the spot this morning outrageously.
You get that yellow dot or the traffic light? Sorry.
Yeah, it went 1, 2, 3, and boom, red. I front run it a little bit, maybe like 6 minutes, but it worked out really nice.
Yeah, that's probably where the 1 minute one was in there. Good shit, dude. That was a great trade.
Yeah, I kind of I'm working on my patience right now, so I don't do the 1 minute. I use the 3 and the 5, and then go further out in the day just to confirm things.
Okay.
I've been here since the beginning, and man, these dots have changed things so much.
Traffic light, sir.
Just
messing
I
with you,
call
bro.
them the traffic lights.
The yellow balls.
Bro, you got to go see a doctor if your balls are yellow.
Oh man, never that. Got to empty the sack. I'm
Well,
gonna let somebody else get on that probably has some technical questions. I just want to mess with you guys.
Thank you, man. We appreciate you calling in.
we do. We
Man,
definitely appreciate it.
thank
Oh man. Okay.
I'm having fun today.
Well, I mean, the market's in the toilet, so I mean, it's we're just winging it at this point.
I'm up like 3.4% on the day. I'll just sit here and relax at this point.
Oh, they're
Like, what else are
coming.
we gonna do?
They're coming. They're coming for your balls.
Yeah, I'd rather not. I mean, like, thanks for the compliment. Like, all right.
So we got who do we have on the stream right now?
This is Tahoe Trader. How you guys doing?
What's up, man? How you doing?
A little better today. I just wanted to call in to kind of give my 2 cents on how I've been struggling and able to help out some of the people that are learning as well. I think my biggest problem has been kind of FOMO, not being patient. When I hear all the people getting gains and stuff, I'm like, what am I missing? I kind of get a little scatterbrained. So I just want to tell people to stay focused. Don't be discouraged when people are making their 5% in the first 30 minutes, because you just got to be patient and wait for the play that you want.
Exactly. We say that a lot. It's like, if you're trying to squeeze out everything from one play, you're not trusting your system to give you another solid trade setup. So it's a tough thing to do. It does take some practice, not really caring what other people are doing. I mean, it's good. It's good and bad to be having like in a group with people. You can bounce ideas off each other, but you got to try to reel the FOMO back in and keep your emotions under control. Because again, if you're thinking about it in this way, if they're already up 5% on their account on one trade and you then enter that trade, you're the exit liquidity.
That's it. Absolutely.
Yeah, I just want to say thanks, guys. I mean, I'm not out of the tunnel yet, but I can see the light at the end. I can see how it works and how consistent I can be as long as I keep my emotions in check.
Absolutely, man.
Awesome. All right, brother. Thanks for calling in.
No problem. Have a good one, guys.
Take it easy. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw up a real world analogy here for those who are staying in the trades way too long, right? And yeah. Okay. So check this out, right? So if you are a beautiful woman, let's say you're an 8, right? You have many options. 8 and above, you have many options. If you're a high value man, you have many options. If you're in trade 1348, you have many options. So you don't have to marry into one because you have options, right? Now, back in my day when I was younger, you know what the rules were of the game were? It was find them, fuck them, forget them. Right? You had options. You see? And that's the thing. Nobody needs to commit to a play. If you see like you're getting that 5%, that 7%, you're looking at, your levels here, your blue pills, et cetera, et cetera. Now you're looking at your EMAs. You'll know that the play is potentially dead, right? So you take what the market gives you. And Ivan's like, Jesus Christ, dude. You know it. You were doing it with me too, Ivan. What the hell's wrong with you? Don't act all innocent.
It's true, though. With trading, it's like, ditch it, dude. What? You're not marrying the damn trade.
You're not. You're just really not, right? And that's the thing. It's like, Ivan's like, shh. Well, okay, so, but the thing here is like, how long do you intend on being in the trade? Does anybody ever really have an answer to that question? How long do you intend to be in a trade?
Until it hits the stop or the scale out point.
You guys have to have a plan. If you meet a woman and in your mind you're like, it's hit and quit it, it's a one night stand. You're not there for breakfast. You're getting the fuck out. You already had a plan when you ran up on her. She already had a plan with you. At the end of the day, stick to your plan, right? Enter the trade with a plan. You enter a trade, you're up 5%, protect yourself at 3. You're up 10%, protect yourself at 7, right? Now, if you get stopped out, guess what? You still had a good old time. Next trade. You have options, okay? Unlike other Discords or Follow Me Trade and traders out there, they're giving you 2-3 trades a day. Some of them are great. Some of them are just fucking awful.
And then you have no idea how to find the next one. No matter what anybody says, this is the problem, and this is what you'll understand about psychology. Like you learn a lot about like as being a trader in terms of psychology. Humans are always going to take the path of least resistance, and we see it with you guys even in here too with the algorithms. I know a lot of you guys haven't watched the videos. You're trying to think, oh, it's just right there. We know the bots work. Why don't we just use those? It's even worse if somebody's alerting you on trades, because then they don't have the backdrop of why they're entering it, the context of what's going on. And then you have no idea how to find the next one. You're just sitting dependent on somebody else for your money. It doesn't make sense. You're never going to get rich following somebody else's trades.
More importantly, it's like, guys, if we put into work creating platform, creating curriculum, guiding you each and every morning, we expect of you, period. And honestly, I think I'm going to get to the point where I'm going to stop answering the most basic questions, because it's just proof that you're not watching the videos. You can't just jump in with us and think like, okay, these guys are great traders. People are making money with them. We're just going to jump right in and do it with them too. No, because you need that knowledge, right? We put in the work, we put in the time, we put in the effort. We expect you to do the same, because at the end of the day, you make us look bad. It's just true, right? Unnecessarily. So watch those videos and stop marrying these trades. Like, please stop marrying these trades. There's a reason why I draw these levels for you. There's a reason why I say get out, right? Because I don't want to be responsible for stupidity. Right? That's it. All right. Let's see.
Get some more callers. I think the number's still up on the screen, isn't it?
Yes.
Market just got killed again here too. My Coca-Cola contracts just went a little nutty. 121% now.
Rose Q. See, this is why women are better traders than men. Because they don't listen to their man, but they'll listen to two jackasses on YouTube. This is fucking great. Rose Q, you just really made me feel good about myself.
They follow the rules. They're less emotional in the trades. They're like, okay, well, this is what I'm looking for. It's just here, here, here. They don't have the getting amped up about being in the trade. It's just all pure relaxation. I think there's a bunch of studies out there on that too. It's not just we're talking out of our asses here. Like, women, I think in general are better traders than men. Yeah,
there's a study on that. And why? Because they're not risky. They're not as risky as a man. There's the reason why men die young, because we're risky and we're stupid. So
I do dumb things.
Oh, we know you do. You did something really fucking stupid this past weekend. It was just like,
what did I do? Hold on. Just give a hint.
Give a hint?
Yeah, give me a hint. Don't say what I did, because I don't know which one you're gonna say.
The self-imposed challenge.
Oh, that was fine. I survived. It's me versus the tequila, baby. It had to be done.
Oh no. No, STV called no. Oh wait, I think he did. Wait, who?
Which one? I didn't call anybody I wasn't supposed to call.
I'm abandoning. I think
I didn't call anyone.
Wait, did we sign an NDA this weekend? I think we did.
It was verbal.
There you go. Let's see. You guys still hungover? No.
I'm fine.
I'm fine too. But I quickly realized that my liver's about to go on strike if I ever do some shit like that again.
We knew what we were getting ourselves into. It's not like we didn't know.
It was a whole lot of improv, though.
Well, yeah. It It was fun though. I had a great time.
Me too.
It was very productive.
Oh, it was though. Very, very productive.
Yeah.
Okay. Anybody looking at anything right now? Because it's just blood red.
SPY's just knifing. Coca-Cola slipped and bounced above and below 60. My Johnson, yeah, like everything's just kind of flickering around over here. I mean, that's kind of the thing I was doing today. I technically did take a day trade, but I didn't mean for it to be a day trade. It was the Procter and Gamble ones that I wanted for March, but then I realized that they had earnings tomorrow. So I opened and then closed it right away. But other than that, it's just been waiting for these swings to just start coming around with the day predictors. I mean, you could have hit the SPY move down. There's been a lot of really, really solid trades. I just, again, if I was already up over 1%, I wasn't gonna put more money at risk for no reason.
Okay. Someone brought up ZBH, and looking at this chart, I mean, you had a really, really nice traffic light here, but not sure if that move was maybe if you shorted it. That's a $1.30 move. You did get a light, but you had the 48 here. So you know what happens, right? You have the expectation that the 48 acts as a level and you get a rejection, right? Just like the 200 and just like these dynamic support and resistance lines popping up, right? So now you have this next traffic light and it's saying a continuation in the move. Things are looking good for this play, from traffic light to traffic light, and yeah, she looks like she's coming on down. You do have a level at 122.09. This is ZBH, by the way.
What's the volume on it though?
The volume's probably
absolutely
shit.
not. No.
It's probably shit.
No, the chain's gonna be terrible. Yep, chain is horrendous. The February monthlies aren't like that bad, but the open interest is 57. The volume's 2. I would not touch that.
Yeah, Moderna was killer for puts. I'm sad didn't take it. Let's take a look at this.
You play shares when the option chain is crap. That's fair. You can definitely do that. I mean, that's what we talk about in the learning curriculum videos with the daily. If the spreads are shitty, you can still trade shares on it.
That's it. But Moderna. Ooh. Oh, she just paid. She paid. The SPY paid.
Oh, look at that, dude. Oh, my God. Throw that on the 1 minute. That's going to be disgusting on the 1 minute.
Oh. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's just disgusting.
Yeah, again, you guys all get access to this chart too. 2-week free trial, trade1348.com. I mean, I tweeted it out, the SPY one. You guys saw me hit the SPY one yesterday. I've shown you the Tesla one. You guys have seen Gabe's video. They're everywhere. These yellow dots, Trade1348 is taking over again, dude. Again, we're bringing you guys the best stuff.
Oh, but I'm not done yet.
Oh, we're not even close to done.
No. All right, so MDLZ on the daily. Oh.
How much is that down today?
Oh boy. You got the high at open at 66. The low at 64.95.
This is exactly what we were talking about with Tahoe Trader right now. This is a chase. This I would want to retest on. The stock is down 3% in a day. Odds are, unless the market knifes again tomorrow, you could easily get a retest of that 48, which is sitting at what? What is it? 65.76 about? Yeah. 65, right in between there. So, I mean, I'd be careful with that just because it's gotten this big knife candle on the way down. Or like, I would want to retest, just how I would look at it.
Probably. 4th RSI is probably cooked. 4-hour RSI. Yeah, it's probably cooked. Let's go ahead and look at the 4-hour here, and it's absolutely cooked.
Oh, yeah. What's his name? Thomas nailed the J&J put. Yeah, I'm up 30% on those right now. I have a limit sell, so if it goes a little bit more, it might hit it, which would be sweet.
Johnson & Johnson on the 5-minute. This has been pretty filthy.
Yeah, the daily's been sweet.
Yeah. So you guys see what's happening here, right? You get your traffic light and it's signaling a reversal, but quickly you hit a level, and you know that the 48's right there, right? So you're just playing to the rules. Essentially, just it's now trading sideways. So for maximum profit, you should have got out around here at 169.90,
Yeah.
right? And that's why I say once I hit a level, I'm done. Once I can identify a level, I am just done. I'd rather be safe than sorry. That's just the way I trade.
Yeah, you can see it right here. 169.70 is a level on the daily. Or it's actually higher than that. 169.76 is a level from the daily.
Oh, let's look at her on the daily. Oh,
Because that's what I have on it. I have it on the daily. So I'm
oh,
swinging
this
these.
is all right. Can I get a thumbs up from the community if you think this is absolute sex? Like,
I'm killing it with them. Yellow dots, date predictives. It's Print City 2023. Don't get left behind.
yes, yes. Let's see here. To answer your question, my port now is 12.3. Right, again, slow and steady for me. I'm not trying to go ahead and hit that home run. I know exactly what I'm doing. We're going to make this happen. I know this is going to work out.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
That's it. Let's see. Looking at this.
Yeah, SPY slipping. Where's Coca-Cola? Is that thing slipping down below 60 again? Yep. Nice. Nice. Your PG play is printing. Michael, it has earnings tomorrow. Careful. Careful. I don't even know if it's pre-market or not, but I bought them today. And then I saw immediately on TradingView that they had earnings tomorrow. Ditched them. I was like, nope, don't want it. So careful. Anytime that you're swinging anything, you need to know when that company's reporting earnings. We're in earnings season now, so it could be anytime. You also have to know what when the sympathy plays are reporting earnings. So like if I have puts on AMD, I need to know when NVIDIA, Micron, TS, all those other companies are reporting as well. Qualcomm, all of them.
Arvin, when I hit 100K, you will get the log of all my trades. Absolutely. So
That'll be sweet.
PG, you have here. Look at this. Yellow light on the daily. She comes in and prints.
Mm-hmm.
What's she doing on 5? Oh, she gave you everything you needed on the 5.
Yeah.
Right. Oh boy, oh boy.
Yeah. Ooh, those J&Js are up 31% now. 126 on Coca-Cola. Thank you. Easy. That's why we make it free. And remember, this is the other thing I want you guys to realize too. Those Coca-Cola contracts yesterday were down 20%. They were down. That's why I make them free. I take my risk off the table and realize all the gains. All that was left on the table was just free money. So I've now doubled the free money.
Is money losing value faster now that lower class citizens are making it faster?
What?
Black man, you want to go ahead and expand on that?
Whenever,
DJX.
if you're talking about making money in the market, whenever somebody's making money in the market, somebody else is losing it. Whether it's an institution, another trader, somebody's always winning and losing.
Okay, back to the chart. We have another traffic light on DGX. Way to go. Good stuff. You're breaking a level. You have weak bearish as it stands right now, so just be careful on this one. That's all I got to say. But on the 5-minute, she did okay, I suppose. There's some money made here on a 5-minute.
Let's see. Yeah, K Robinson, it's a zero-sum game. 100%.
That's it.
That's what the market is.
That's it.
Let's see.
Jeez.
I can't. Yeah, dude, these yellow dots are filthy. Like the yellow dots on the daily when you guys get those alerts this week, game over.
Yeah. Yeah. Game over. What else? Let's go ahead and check out NVIDIA. So, NVIDIA paid AMD.
Dude, those all had the dots this morning. I think you could have basically taken anything to the downside with the yellow dots.
Yeah. Yeah. Stock market now, us common folks are killing it with 1348. That's what he's talking about. Yes, yes, you deserve to kill it.
Yeah, that's what we're here to do.
Clap says, Gabe, I'm in your hood on vacation. Been looking out for cows and Astons. Oh. Be careful, please. Winning loser, did you say you were done?
Yeah, you do this every day, winning loser. You're 32.6% on the portfolio for the day. That's pretty fucking great, though, bud. Good for you.
Apple's holding. Why is it so bullish? The level.
Dimmelston, I feel like we do this every day. It doesn't matter. It's Apple's going to do what it's going to do at the end of the day. You kind of have to take the chart as it comes. Like right now, would I trade Apple? No. You've already seen that pretty aggressive move down from 138.60. And now it's just kind of teetering around. I probably wouldn't take anything additional to the downside right now. You're just chasing. It can hold up, but the market's going to do what it's going to do. There doesn't have to be a specific reason as to why something's holding up.
There you go. Also, why is it holding up? I mean, just a very technical answer, right? I can give you the simplest answer. There's a level right there.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I mean, we could go ahead and talk about Apple's resilience and how great of a company they are. I really don't give a fuck about that. Like, it's at a level, it's holding up. I want to wait and see what happens.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it.
SPY's making new lows. Coca-Cola new lows. Fancy coming down. It's a great day across the board, man.
Oh, look at snow. My God.
If you sign up quarterly today, does this count as a month? You get a 2-week free trial, and then it's billed quarterly. So you will get billed 3 months down the road. Traders Anonymous. But everybody gets access to the 2-week free trial with, and you get everything. We don't gatekeep anything from you guys in the free trial. You get all the algorithms, all the charts, all the live streams, all the videos, everything.
Yeah. S2E.
Yeah.
I know we're getting traffic lights on the daily. Do you think we should do we could do 4 hour? You think we should do a 5-minute alert as well?
No, it'll be too quick. There's going to be too many of them. It's just going to cloud it, I think. I think daily and 4 hour.
Daily and 4 hour? Okay.
Yeah, and then everybody else can I mean, we can just see it on the stocks that we're trading on the 5-minute. Like if you're hunting a reversal on one given stock, you don't need an alert with the yellow dot to see that you're going to watch it.
There you go. Traders, if you're asking about your month being prorated, unfortunately, no. 1-minute alerts? No way in hell. That is way too fast. 4 hour and daily, absolutely. Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm. No, we're not going to do the 15-minute.
No, you just need the 4 hour and the daily, I think.
Yeah, the 15-minute, you're just going to be late. Like, because it's so in between for like a day trade and a swing trade.
Yeah, yeah. Chris Brenneman says, had to take my son to the dentist this morning. I missed the bulk of the move down this morning, and I'm still up 1.46% on the day. So.
Nice. Oh, Traders Anonymous. It's not like all the quarterlies go out that day. It's on a rolling basis. So if you sign up today, you still get you still get 3 months of payment. It's not like you just get screwed over this month.
You don't lose them up, basically. So basically your subscription starts brand new, pretty much at 3 months.
Exactly.
That's why you got to reach out to Diana. She goes ahead, cancels your current subscription, gets you pushed on over to quarterly. Mm-hmm. That's it. Let's see.
Yeah, we wouldn't do 15. Spy's fucking around. Oh, Johnson and Johnson slipped a little there.
All right.
Ooh, I'm up 4% on the port today.
All right, you filthy fuck. You're doing great. So Algo's giving us bear news, great news. When I wrote the Daily Yellow, I set up the engine to support any time frame, so 4 hour won't take long.
There we go.
Right. So I would say the 4 hour and the daily is geared towards the 9 to 5, and for those who want to diversify, their portfolio to, I don't want to say less risk, because I mean there's risk pretty much everywhere in the market on every time frame, right? But
it slows it down.
Slows everything down. That's it.
I'm hoping this limit order gets hit.
Ryan Marshall says Spy did a thing that people call it a cup and handle.
Yeah, how'd that work out for him? Where was that? Oh, like on the daily? No.
Yeah, well,
you're still in the downtrend here. You're completely still within this downtrend. Like, you can have a cup and handle, but I'm not trading it. Just like how I say, fuck your bull flag. I'll take my reversal strategy over anybody's bull flag any day.
Yeah. So this is still rather subjective, right? I mean, like, where are you going to find your cup? I mean, like, it's obvious here that you have your cup, right? I don't think that's a fully formed cup, first off.
No, it's not.
It's not. So, yeah, fuck that. Just play momentum, guys. That's it.
I mean, you could literally just say that the high that you reached on September 12th is the high, but it's not. Then you just have upside to no bullshit. Nope. I don't want to do this whole fancy like patterns. No, never use them. Never will.
That's it. Bye, GMI. Shh. GME. Bye, GME. No. Please, let's not start that.
Dude, people always try to steal from us. We always come out on top. Like, keep trying. The amount of things that we have in the pipeline that are almost already ready to get released anyway. Try and catch us, bro. Like, you can't. We'll create stuff in the dots in a weekend.
You want to answer that? I mean, are you a cereal out of a bowl or cup kind of guy? I don't eat breakfast.
I don't eat breakfast. Well, technically, I do eat breakfast, but I make eggs for lunch. So, I feel like that's nonsense. But I never used to like cereal.
Yeah.
Not a cereal guy.
Let's see. What are we looking at here?
Up 150% on the SPY. There you go. What are these Coca-Colas up now? 138%. Nice. 33% on the Johnson & Johnsons. Nice. I laugh when I see traders on YouTube with their pointless charting and analysis. Me too. I don't watch. That's the thing. It literally makes my brain bleed because this is these charts here in Invictus and everything are the best kept secrets on the internet. You guys see everybody just fucking printing. Oh, it's filthy. And everybody gets access for free for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Trade1348.com. What you waiting for?
Don't get left behind. Because we will leave you behind.
Oh, yeah. Especially when we raise that price.
Yep. Which will be happening.
It will be happening. We keep on offering more and more and more than most services that are charging $200-$300 a month. I know you guys don't understand, that, but I mean, anybody who's been in these markets for a very long time know that, data costs a lot of money. And what we have is data. And especially when we introduce the traffic lights on the daily and the 4 hour, I think my hand is forced on raising the prices yet again. But you guys will be grandfathered. But my hands are tied. I'm devaluing myself and devaluing the company that I've created. I'm devaluing STV and, the men and women in this organization that are killing themselves for you guys. So I'm just straight talk here. All right. You guys want to go ahead and secure your spot. I mean, it's $69 or you could secure your spot at lifetime. But these prices are fucking going up. I'm sorry, and call me arrogant, call me cocky for saying that, but at the end of the day, we bring the best value out there. Period.
Is there a deadline to re-sign up with the OG code? The OG code is done.
Yeah.
The only code that there is for, and it's for OG members, it's for 50% off lifetime. That you guys always will have for just the OGs, and we have a way to identify who's been an OG and who hasn't.
Yes.
But yeah, we will be raising the prices. So it is what it is. The amount of things that we're building out and the things that we're offering, one is going to take a lot of capital in order to do. We have to expand. We have to reinvest back in the tools that we're going to be providing you guys, because the two or three ideas that Gabe and I have been talking about a lot are going to take some time to do, and they're revolutionary for retail. So, I mean, yeah, all the stuff that we have right now, awesome, but get ready. There's some crazier shit coming.
Absolutely. We have Irvine, California.
Let's do it.
All right. Welcome to the live stream. Who do we have on the call?
Hi, Gabe. This is Parsa.
Oh, Parsa.
What's going on, man? How you doing, SCV?
What's going on, brother?
How you doing, man?
Chilling. Good, man. Good to hear you guys in real time. So I'm currently in this side trade. I didn't exactly follow the rules, but I played the yellow light in the morning. And, I was just YOLOing it kind of. So I bought a contract for $391 this Friday, and it was cheap. It was like $20. That's why. It was like less than 0.1% or 0.5% of my account. And I'm waiting for a yellow light to come back on the put side so I can sell, but it's just not happening. Should I just secure the I don't want to say the percentage because you're gonna yell at me and say, yeah, you should sell it, but like
how many contracts do you have, Parsa?
It's just single. It was $20. I was like, I'll just YOLO it.
At this point in the day, that's why we have the stop loss strategy there. So you could say, hey, this is the dollar amount that I want to receive out of this. Set your stop there. Wait for it towards the end of the day. If it doesn't hit by then, ditch it. I mean, you can do anything though. Like it expires Friday. You can hold it over. I mean, you can technically do whatever you want. I can't tell you what to do with it. Gabe can't tell you what to do with it. If you're up a lot and you want to secure the bag, cool. If you want to gamble it, it's your prerogative. You can do whatever you want. We have those learning videos out there for you so that you can make the best decision for you. But it just comes down to what you want to do at the end of the day.
Gotcha.
What's up?
For real. All right, for sure. The videos have changed my life. I mean, this platform has, looking back a year ago, I was a full-time student. I had no idea how valuable time really can be. And this platform that you and, everyone else have set up for us is changing my life. And I'm so eternally grateful. Thank you guys so much for everything. It's beautiful what you guys are doing here. And I'm so happy to be a part of this. I'm trying to get everyone I know to get in on it, but not so successful there. But overall, I'm hoping that in the next, few months, I can get a bunch of my friends to get in because they will appreciate it too.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Well, we appreciate those kind words. And, unfortunately, when it comes to money and, money-making concepts, a person's first, rebuttal is, oh, it's a scam. You can't make money that easy, right? It's just one of those things, right? It's a mental limitation, right? So, yeah, don't be so mad at your friends, right? It's just, it's they are imprisoned by their own expectations of themselves. That's it.
Parsa, here's what I've done. How old are you, Parsa? You're my age, right? Sorta?
I'm actually 25. Yeah, 25. Yeah.
Yeah. So here's kind of what I've done with my friends. I don't really talk about trading ever, but what happens is that when the conversation does come up, I'll just explain stuff to them. And there's a bunch of them right now that now want to have me help them do it, because it's very hard to force somebody to do something that they're not interested in anyway. But if they then come to you and are interested, it makes it a lot easier. So, because the conversation is usually like, oh, it's gambling, blah, 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 blah. It's like, all right, bud. It's like
All right,
that's really how
I also have another suggestion, and this might not be too popular, and I don't mean to offend anyone, but change your fucking friends. That's it.
You know, thought about it. They wanna work for money. That's them. All right, that's cool. Do your thing. I'll do my thing.
That's
Don't
it.
judge
That's
me.
it.
I won't judge you. Exactly. Thank you guys so much again. I mean, everyone's calling you every day, and sending thanks, and it just goes to show how valuable this has been for all of us. And
Thank you,
thank you,
Parsa.
guys.
Thank you, Parsa, man. Thank you for giving us that call, man. Appreciate you.
Have a good one, guys. Cheers.
All right. I also want to say this, guys, while you're building your success, right? Unless you really feel like you can help somebody else do it, you all have affiliate links, right? And so obviously, when you're sharing it with somebody, you go ahead and you explain how it's life changing for you, right? Don't talk about the money, talk about the result, right? Once you mention money, people are just like, what?
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? You have to talk about the result, okay? But also, if your friends are not supportive of your journey, just change your fucking friends. And I'm a firm believer that if you want to be to where you want to be, surround yourself with 5 people who are where you want to be. Like, honestly, right? That's just what I believe, and it's really, really just that easy. It's just really that easy, right? Need to change your second cousin, change your second cousin too.
The other thing is too is I have experience with this, and because I knew my friends would be supportive of what I was doing when I started the YouTube channel, but I didn't tell anybody until I had 2,000 subscribers. I told 0 people what I was doing.
Yeah.
And then once it was results, it's like, well, what can you say now? It's like, well, you can't really be like, oh, blah, blah, blah. It's like, here it is. The results speak for themselves, just like with 1348.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys have to understand that we are surrounded by mediocrity, which means you guys are a cut above the rest, which makes you exceptional individuals, okay? We have another call coming in from Mass. Let's pick this one up.
Let's do it.
Thank you for calling in on the live stream. Who are we speaking with?
Shit, goddamn fuck. Of course, they started blowing. Hey, did you guys hear me?
The fucking party horn.
Emotional damage.
Hello.
Hello. How you doing?
Hey, you guys can hear me
Good
good,
winning
right?
loser?
I'm doing all right. Yeah, this is the winning loser.
I knew it.
I was sitting there at work, and all of a sudden the guys start blowing their fucking air guns, cleaning the car off. I'm like, what the fuck? Anyways,
Party horn.
I was just like, I got to jump in this car so I can talk to them. I'm trying to put together this car that hit a telephone pole a couple weeks ago. But nonetheless, yeah, I'm calling in to thank you guys very much for everything you guys do. I've been focusing on a lot on what I do wrong more than what I do right. And as far as my emotions go, my emotions are the same whether I lose or whether I win, games wise. If I take a loss, I'm just like stone cold. It doesn't matter. Even if I'm being a bitch and I'm holding it too long, right? But it is what it is. Sometimes you got to take that beating. But and when I say I'm done trading for the day, I mean it. But like,
no, you don't. Only today,
sometimes
you're out
it's
of
hard.
cash.
Sometimes it's hard.
Yeah, it is hard.
I know sometimes it's hard, and even when I don't know, it's just hard because I tell myself I'm not going to take that trade. Just keep that 7%. You're 7 days ahead of the game. And then today, when I saw the SPY just starting to just shit itself, I was like, all right, I have a little unsettled cash. I'm just going to do this. So I jumped in and hit a nice percentage and ended up being up almost 32 and basically 32.5%.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Or something like that. But It is crazy. It absolutely is crazy. But like, you know, I'm a former heroin addict. Okay, I've been clean for 8 years.
Congratulations,
just
good
hard.
stuff.
I appreciate that. Thank you. But like, you know, the crazy thing is that the addiction part of my brain will be like, don't do it. Just keep that 7% because you can lose that quick if you make the wrong move.
Mm-hmm.
But then you just see that move and you get those indicators and it's just like, let's do it, you know? And, you know, at the end of the year, I had messaged you guys and told you I finished up like almost 120% for the day. And I full ported. I just said, fuck it. I'm like, you know what? I'm just going for it. And it just happened to work in my favor. And after that, I was like, okay, there's going to be no more of that in 2023. Okay. None of that. But you know, I'm a work in progress at the end of the day.
Yeah. Yeah, it's tough. You got to the thing that you have to learn is actually how to manage the money. That's the most important part that people don't necessarily realize. You're learning how to manage money.
Right. 100%. I'm learning slowly but surely, and it's all because of you guys and stuff like that. So, and yeah, I'm internally grateful, you know. So, and again, you know, like I've heard people say before, I'm tired of working for money. You know what I'm saying? I want money to work for me. I want a nice, you know, even if I'm hitting big plays and let's say within the next year I'm a millionaire, I have $1 million in my account, and then I keep trading the way I'm trading and I'm making a couple grand a day and I quit my job and I've got money, I'm still gonna live like I make like 80 grand a year. You know what I'm saying? I just want to be comfortable at the end of the day, and then have a nice little nest egg. So when I decide I want to retire, I mean, even when I'm retired, friggin', I'm still gonna be crazy. But I guess that means I quit my job. So.
Yeah, the
right,
thing that I
man.
like to say with people wanting to quit your jobs, I mean, it's going to be different for everybody, but I'd say you need at least 200 to 300 grand in your portfolio, and you've been doing it for 2 or 3 years. That you've proven to yourself that you can actually do this consistently.
Yeah. No, I hear you. I'm not going to be quitting my job anytime soon, but within the next 5 years, I have the 5-year plan, and that's all I got. So,
Hey, listen, man. We're happy for you. We're proud of you. You know, we know Kelly is I believe is a sponsor. He's
an addiction coach.
He's an addiction coach, and so Kelly, if you're in the stream, man, you know, it's like these are great stories to hear, man. You're taking control of your life and just owning it, and there's no doubt in my mind, man. You know, you just stay focused. You'll see the fruits of you know, your labor. You know, just moving forward, right? With that being said, we have to conclude the stream because STV has to be on stream in about a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
We're going private with you guys too.
Go do your thing. Go troll his ass, Gabe.
It's a private stream. It's with all our people.
That's it.
Oh, that'll be perfect then. I'll see you in 30 seconds.
Take it easy.
Peace out.
Later, man. Thanks for the call.
Later.
Bye. Yeah, you
That dude owes me a hearing aid.
The funniest thing is that it was so loud, and you go back and you hit the party horn.
Oh my God. All right. Listen, guys, take care. Catch STV on his live stream there. He's hopping on. You know where to find him. I am signing out. It was fun. You guys, you heard it here first, right? You know, it's people are changing their lives, right? But, you know, you got to want to do it. We do it for ourselves. You guys just got to want to do it. That's it.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.